my name is Evan. This is the last installment of our lab. Today we're going to be doing the 1 mile Rockport test, 1 mile Rockport walk test. So make sure that your client is fully warmed up, at least 5 to 10 minutes of a warm up prior to doing the Rockport test. I will be having my stopwatch. I'll be having my stopwatch timing his 1 mile. He will also be tracking his distance and his time for the 1 mile Rockport walk test. So I will be coming back with administering the post heart rate as well as the post blood pressure in order to estimate our VO2 max for this test. All right, so we are in the last 20 meters, I believe, of this Rockport 1 mile walk test. So we're just going to maintain a pace with my client, and once the mile is up, we are going to stop somewhere to get a breather as well as get his post heart rate as well as his post blood pressure in order to calculate the VO2 max. We're about 86 miles in now. We have about 14 miles left until 14?
Not miles. Meters.
Meters? 14 meters left until this mile is up. We're at 91 meters left in our 1 mile. We have about 9 meters left until this test assessment is finished. with our 1 mile. We are going to set up our area to record the post heart rate as well as the post blood pressure. And so I'm gonna get that set up and we'll be back. So now we're gonna be measuring the post resting heart rate. You're gonna have your middle finger and your index finger. You're going to place it on the radial artery, which is located under the thumb. You're gonna apply pressure, and for 30 seconds, you're going to count the beats per minute. And then multiply that by 2 in order to get your resting heart rate. And I'm gonna set my timer for now. So at the end of the 30 seconds, I got 36 beats per second. 36 times 2 is at the top of my head 72. I'm going to record that and then we'll come back with the blood pressure. Now we're going to be recording the blood pressure. So we're first going to indicate where the estimated systolic pressure is, where we feel the heart, the beats per minute. So make sure that you have your client having his hand face outward, so that I can find the brachial artery. So about 120 is where the beats per minute was indicated for the stop pressure. So for this one, we're going to pump the cuff up to about 130 and record the how many times the brachial artery pumps. So I'll be using my stethoscope to more accurately hear the amount of times the brachial artery beats. So I'm going to do that. I also did wait the 30 to 60 seconds prior to pumping it once again. It is cold, so I'm going to try to do this as quick as possible, so that we can get out of the cold. So let's go ahead and do that. Put your hand out like this. Going to release some of the pressure in the pump as you go. And where the brachial artery stops beating, that is where we're going to find the highest level pressure. So So it stopped at about 120/40. So our blood pressure, our systolic was 120. Our diastolic pressure was 140. I will come back to you inside estimating the VO2 max.